So now the previous method we were using for the profiling section was pretty much static, because we have the reference node base for the knowledge base for cloud computing, because we wanted to build the system first. But the main problem was here that every other student is not going to come here and study only cloud computing, right? So maybe some student want to learn about Python, some basic topics, or maybe they want to learn something about geography, machine learning, cybersecurity. So we really need to make the profiling system and the learning path generation dynamic. So in order to make that, what we did is we use two brain for the LLM for the learning path generation. So one will take the data from our previous profiling section. So after he gets the data from profiling section, it already has like the knowledge base about like what he want to learn, how much he already have experience in those things, what is his weakness, how much time he's gonna put into for learning and all those things. So after getting that data from the profiling section, it will try to generate a detailed learning path, and in that learning path it will have some main topic. Under main topic it will have subtopic, and after it generates that learning path, it will shown to the user to actually check that if it's okay or not, and then it can proceed to the notebook page. But now here the main question is, how do we maintain the quality? For example, maybe 100 student or 1000 student, they want to study the same topic and same thing. How do we actually make sure that they are getting the constant the same learning path? And the problem here is not like the same learning path, it's like the quality of that learning path. Like, is there any problem in the learning path? For example, I want to learn Python, so is it really teaching me Python? Or the learning path it's generating, is it really effective for me? So for that we added another agent in the learning path. So the first agent, what we'll do is generate the learning path based on the profiling data, and the other agent, it will cross check the learning path that it's actually useful for the user depending on the profile section and profile data. And then we implemented another feature, actually it's a very important feature, which is after this double check, the learning path will be shown to the user, and the user then can check by it himself or herself, and then it can send us a rating about how the AI actually worked. And based on that rating, the AI will store that data, and then it will keep improve itself. So it's like a self-improving LLM kind of thing. So every time it generates a data, a learning path, it gets validated by another agent, and then it also gets validated by the user with some custom comment and rating, and then it goes back to the LLM and it stores and it checks, okay, for this learning path I got a good score, so maybe this is the right track to generate, and if it gets a low mark, then it's a bad, so I need to improve in this section depending on the user and what the user gave me the feedback. So it's continuous self-improving thing. And for now we actually finished this second feature, which is the learning path. In future we want to make it more good and cost effective, because we can't generate every learning path and for everyone. So maybe we will try to store the best learning path for specific topics that the user want to learn. And in the future, if we made the same tracking system, or if we made the same learning path, same data, we will show the existing learning path instead of generating, which will save us some tokens. And as you know that we don't have any funding, so it's the budget is always on us. And yeah, for future updates we will let you guys know.
For now, we need your support. Please fill out the Google form. The link is in the description. According to your feedback, we are gonna improve our platform, and then it will be better for everyone. Also, we are opening a wait list for 100 users. The first 20 people who will join the wait list, they are gonna get free access for 1 month. And then if you want to join the wait list, so visit our website link, it's nobogyan.com, and then you will get the link in the description also. That's all for now. We'll share the updates in upcoming videos.